Start. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is a licensed chemist and is running his shop under the name and style of New Medicos for the last more than 15 years, and there is not even a single complaint against till date. Stop. He further submitted that the petitioner has been falsely implicated in the present case and he is in custody since 27/7/2021. Stop. He further submitted that mandatory provisions of Section 42 of the NDPS Act have not been complied with by the police, as search and seizure are completely vitiated as per Section 42 of the NDPS Act. Stop. He further submitted that investigation in the present case is complete. Challan has been presented, charges have been framed out of 25 prosecution witnesses. None has been examined as yet. The case is now fixed for prosecution evidence on 24/3/2023 and the trial is likely to take a considerable time to conclude. Stop. He further submitted that the petitioner is not involved in any other case. Stop. No communication of secret information received from any sources. Stop. Along with that, the police officer did not send any information to the superior officer within 72 hours and no reasons were recorded as to why warrants authorization could not be obtained prior to conducting the raid. Stop. Any such officer, being an officer superior in rank to a peon, sepoy or constable of the departments of Central Excise, Narcotics, Customs, Revenue, Intelligence or any other department of the central government, including paramilitary forces or armed forces, as is empowered in this behalf by general or special order by the central government, or any such officer being an officer superior in rank to a peon, sepoy or constable of the revenue, drugs control, excise, police or any other department of a state government. Stop. On this behalf by general or special order of the state government, if he has reason to believe from personal knowledge or information given by any person and taken down in writing that any narcotic, drug or psychotropic substance or controlled substance in respect of which an offence punishable under this act has been committed, or any document or other article which may furnish evidence of the commission of such offence, or any illegally acquired property or any document or other article which may furnish evidence of holding any illegally acquired property which is liable for seizure or freezing or forfeiture under chapter VA of this act, full stop.